Hey, this is Ralph, and in this video I want to go over some basics with Firefox. So Firefox is an incredibly popular browser. In fact, let's just do a quick check of some browser stats here. And here we can see this is pretty recent, November 2010. Internet Explorer, just under 30% of the market share. Look at that, Firefox, 44% of the market share. Chrome is coming up fast with a little over 20%. And we also have Safari and Opera. So I've got another video checking out Chrome. So this is Firefox, the most popular browser, at least by this subset of the population. As you can see, I've got a multi-tab interface here. Firefox has had this for quite a while, and it's really easy to work with. You can simply click and drag a tab over to the left or the right, and you can even take a tab and drag it outside of the lineup, and you can have a separate session for that particular browser. I can take the tab and drag it back, puts it back into the lineup. That's pretty normal. Open up a new tab, click the little plus there for a new tab, and head over to a new site. I want to show you one of my most favorite features though, and it has to deal with searching. So check out how I search this. I can type in the letter B space mountain, and that'll search for the word mountain on Bing. Click on this again, I can type in G space mountain, and that'll do a Google search of the word mountain. I can do GI space mountain, and that will search a Google image. Okay, it'll do a Google image search for the word mountain. So that's a pretty slick little trick there, and it's really easy to do in Firefox. It doesn't work with every site, but it works with a lot of sites. Okay, so let's see, I'll show you how I can test this out. I'm going to head over to one of my favorite sites. It's a list apart. There it is. So a list apart has lots of great articles if you're into web development, things like that. So I'm at a site that has a search box. Here it is over here on the right side. I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to add a keyword for this search. Okay, search a list apart, sounds good. The keyword I will use, I'll do ALA, and then save. Now let's see if it works. I don't even have to be in this page. I can be in any page I want. I'm back over here at CNN. I'll just go to my search box, type in ALA space HTML5, and that should perform a search over a list apart of the keywords HTML5. It's taking a little bit longer than normal here. There we go though. So there's my search results for HTML5. Let me give this another shot here. So I'm different web page, and let's see, how about if we type in ALA CSS curve corners. Okay, it'll do another search. Here we go. So search for results for CSS curve corners over at the Listapart website. Really quick and convenient. And once you do that, you can just do fast searches of all the places you go to on a regular basis. So I've already got one set up. If I can do A space HTML5, that gives me a quick search of Amazon's website for those particular key phrases. So really cool tool. It's going to just make your life on Firefox a lot faster, especially if you're constantly going to different pages and searching for stuff. The thing that I really do like about Firefox, and Chrome is getting better about this too, are the number of extensions you can add. I've actually got quite a few extensions on my Firefox installation here, but I want to add another one just so you can see how it works. So there's the place where I can download Firefox, but let me look for Google Firefox extensions, which they actually call add-ons. So I'll do a search for add-ons. There we go, add-ons for Firefox. Whole bunch of them on here. Let's see, I'll do a search for, and I'll pick one that I know I don't have already installed. I'll do a search for forecast. They've got a little weather one on here. I don't really need to use it too much, but here we go, Forecast Fox Weather. Sounds good. I'm going to click the little button here to add to Firefox. It's pretty easy. Pause for a second. There we go, install now. They want me to restart Firefox. I'll do that, so I'll go ahead and hit Restart Firefox. I'm going to say no for not synchronizing my bookmarks. That's another great add-on. Restart. It's thinking. That's my Chrome browser there in the background. Okay, Firefox is coming back. Okay, there's my little add-ons window. I don't really need that anymore, so I can just close that. And it's telling me no script has blocked access to the customization. I will allow it. So I've got a script blocker add-on. So some of my favorite add-ons are like the script blocker, ad blocker. I've got web developer, Firebug. Okay, so you have to kind of look down here in the lower right corner now of my browser. I have some weather. 38 degrees fair, 43 degrees fair, 38 degrees fair. But that's not me, that's New York City. Alright, so I've got to be able to customize this. Now if I right click, I do get some options. That's outside of my recorder windows. Here we go. So there's the locations, type in city, zip code, or place of interest. I'm going to go ahead and enter in 97701, my zip code. Okay, Bend, Oregon, looks good. And now it's been updated, so I've got my current weather. There we go, 25 degrees in Bend, Oregon. That sounds about right now. 37 degrees tomorrow, 45 degrees. So there's Forecast Fox. And you can see I've got a bunch of little icons for a bunch of other add-ons that I have installed too. So that really adds to the usability of Firefox. Let's check out a couple more things. I'll head over to Tools and Options. Options window's got a few more things, a little more cluttered than over there at Chrome, but let me head over to General. When Firefox starts, I'm going to show my home page. Now I've actually got several pages though. I show my Blackboard page, and I show a bunch of other ones too. You can easily have it use current pages, so what you might do is display the pages you want to be your home page, and then just go into these settings and choose current page. Okay, so a bunch of choices on there. Show downloads. Let's jump over to privacy for a second. Firefox will remember history. That's pretty normal there. Clear recent history, things like that. Let's look at security. Okay, when sites try to get these warnings on there. Remember passwords for sites. I like using that. And then they've got a bunch of options here in the advanced area. So a bunch of different things on here. I like this option. I'll go and turn this on. Search for text when I start typing. So if you start typing something when you're not active within a search box, it'll actually start to perform a search. It's really kind of slick. So I've just turned that feature on for accessibility. So Firefox is still a fantastic browser, even though I've been using Chrome a lot more lately. And Firefox is a popular choice for many, many users. So give it a try.